See, I'm not motivating you, I'm not inspiring you because it's not gonna work. Motivations, inspirations, it stays for a shorter time. Self-discovery and why it is important. When we are on our personal journey, we are striving to find our authentic self. And Rumi said, when will you begin that journey into yourself? When we start our self-discovery, we start knowing ourselves more. And in result, we start accepting ourselves more. Now let's see what self-discovery offers us. Career. How many times you have heard about people are not satisfied with their jobs? It is because might be they listened to someone else or they didn't know what they wanted to do. It helps to heal. To heal a pain, you need to find out that source. It encourages you to find those fears, limiting beliefs, childhood issues, many more things. And they help you to process them, let them go, and find that peace. Self-confidence. Self-confidence comes from knowing who you are, which comes from self-discovery. It gives you that uniqueness. That is what makes you special, dynamic. And once you know about your strength, your uniqueness, you start loving yourself. You become more secured, more confident in who you are. Physically healthier. Yes, it also helps us to be physically fit and healthy, because we all know when we start knowing ourselves better, we start developing a care, a better consideration of ourselves. We start loving ourselves, and eventually we become mindful what we eat, how we think, and even your morning work and your working out at gym, it becomes also part of your self-care. So what happens when you discover yourself, when you start becoming aware of yourself? The first thing what happens, you start working on your inner mindset, and that is the foundation of your success. It helps you to find more ways to find other streams of your incomes or to boost your finance. Most importantly, it gives you a huge inner strength which helps you to overcome or face any kind of adversity or difficulties which comes suddenly. You have that inner belief, you have that inner strength to face that uncertainty. And now, how we will make it happen? This can be done by asking yourself some very strong questions and by going through a scientifically proved discovery session. Which has already changed 6 lakhs lives. So now, if you want to go through this discovery session with one of the certified coaches, it will cost you 2000 to 5000 Indian rupees. But my mentor Arfin Khan said add values in people's life, and money will be byproduct of it. So for now, I'm just keeping it for free. The people who are really interested to change their finance, their career, their relationship, their health, it's action time. Mail me or call me or WhatsApp me. Book your spot. I'm putting all my details. You can find it out and get back to me. But do it now. See, I'm not motivating you, I'm not inspiring you, because it's not gonna work. Motivations, inspirations, it stays for a shorter time. You need to take action. You need to understand yourself. You need to be aware of yourself. So this is just for those people who want to take action, and I am giving you an opportunity for that. A 10 minutes can change your entire life, believe me, because I want you to experience what I have experienced in my life. So if you are an action taker, you want to do something with your life, if you want to change, the call is for you. Book your spot now. I want you to be an action taker.